Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Taking a quick look here at Avalanche, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a couple of things here that are very important to recognize because I think Avax still has gas left in the tank to break through its most recent high. And then of course, obviously establish higher highs here moving forward. But we're going to talk about that and a few other things that are important to recognize, such as liquidation, etc. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, love to teach people to trade, I hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, though, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. It's a really cool experience. In fact, we took some nice healthy profits here recently for Atom, 47% in 6 days, and Crowcoin, 20% in 3 days. Those are just a couple of swing trades we had open from last week. But more important, Litecoin 15, BNB 78, ADA 18, Link 18, ETH 5, 15, XRP, Solana. I mean, the list goes on. We had a lot of really good trades, profitable trades that were taken in just hours today, and those are awesome. So congrats on that for our day trading community. That is available through my Premium Plus if you're curious. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions if you're curious, or just jump into our community and get to know everyone and find out for yourself. But when it comes to Avax, what we want to look at is this heavy concentration at $40 to $41. I cannot believe how many shorts keep getting opened as the price continues to sweep. It's just constant liquidation, right? So the truth is, you're not really going to be finding a lot of benefit shorting a lot of coins right now. I think it's kind of a little too premature and risky. That's just me personally. Either way, we can see anyone that shorted between 37 and 39, which I knew. So I've heard from some community members here that some other communities got destroyed trying to short. I'm just glad we stuck with our long positions. Again, the proof was in the pudding, folks. Everything looked good. There's no reason for Bitcoin to pull back, minus some theory based on previous cycles. And I think those have been since invalidated. We'll know here in about 49 days when the Bitcoin halving occurs. But for now, for lack of better terms, we can presume the market's bullish because Bitcoin's cranking. We do also have $35 as a heavy amount of liquidation for longs. So just keep in mind, we get closer to 35, you may want to consider closing your position. Once more, 35 is right here at that lower level of wick where the price action pulled back down here to that previous support level. Okay, we talked about this previously about $36 being a key level. That is a strong volume profile. It's just something we got to recognize. Okay, so please understand the price action going below that price point is fairly low, and those longs at 35 are warranted. Makes perfect sense. Let's take a look here at some of the moving averages. We're tentatively above the 20. I wouldn't say we're closed above yet. We still got an hour and a half of trading here today, but simple way to understand this is that we're mostly bullish on pretty much the larger time frames. Okay, same thing with 50 on the RSI, stochastic RSI swinging up. Money flows pulling back, but we had roughly 9 to 10 trading days of pullback, right? So we take a look at TD sequential, we hit an 8. Now we're resetting, essentially coming back up. Okay, so again, all good stuff there in that regard. Let's take a quick look here at the MACD. Is it converging? Not quite, but it wants to. Okay. So that could be just kind of letting us know future reference, the price action is more likely to increase from here. But I would say that based on the overextension of the downside, last 3 days being bullish, breaking through this most recent lower fib level at 0.382, these are all reasons why the price action should continue higher. Okay. So having said that, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we do have a decent amount of volume above us at about $40. So $40 will be that resistance shelf. Is right there at the 0.618, 6.65, golden pocket, as they say. So I would just say that generally speaking, the price travels into the 40s. We could see some initial resistance. Price action is closer to 70 in the RSI, stochastic swinging up. So with money flow index being high, we can presume the price will go higher. Okay, I would be remiss if 40 to 40.5 isn't hit. Okay, it would make sense. Tons of liquidation levels there, a lot of resistance based on volume. At that level just seems like it has a magnet pulling towards it. Okay, but either way you look at it here, we are above almost all moving averages at this point, still looking pretty bullish. Okay, not 100%, but like 90% probability the price goes further up. Again, unless Bitcoin just drops to like 43K, or 53K rather, then we're going to be in a position right now where we're in pretty good shape here. Okay, so last but not least, go ahead and summarize here with Ichimoku Cloud, green lights, all green lights to leave your long position open. Do not take a short into this coin. I don't care if it pulls back down to 37. It's still not worth it. It's much more likely to find success. You are more likely to find success to the upside, and it doesn't make any sense to try to short into coins right now. Don't listen to Tom, Dick, and Harry online that are posting their 1000x returns because they decided to short and got lucky for a moment there. This is not a shorting market, folks. There's no other way around it. Okay. So Congrats to those who took some nice profits on our longs, and I'm sorry for those who tried to short, but this is just not a short market, and make sure you recognize that going into Avax trades. Furthermore, Avax is tradable on Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below to register. CryptoCash.tech if you're curious about our trading community, but I would say use this exchange if you're in a KYC required country, such as US and Canada. They have phenomenal benefits, and if you use my link to register, really nice rewards too. Highly recommend you check them out. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.